Hey guys, it's Jason Enos. I am a art and gaming streamer over on Twitch, and I want to do a quick unboxing. My friend gave me this wonderful Marvelistic desktop mat, and I want to do a quick unboxing. Thank you, Jason Gwinn, for the gift. I wanted, like I said, to do a quick unboxing of it. I haven't opened it up yet. It's called Leather Desk Pad. This one's 32 by 16 in the gray color. So I just want to do a quick unboxing of it because I've not even opened it up yet. Try and get my microphone off camera there. But here we go. This is the Marvelistic leather. It's the gray, and it has a really special thing on it, which I will not show you, and I won't tell you about until I actually open it up. Now, there's basically, it's wrapped rather nicely in this, like, oh, I don't know, this thick wax paper type stuff, which is really nice. Probably keep all the surfaces safe. Oh, I tore it a little bit there. Not like I'm trying to save the wax paper or anything, guys. I really am not. I'm just one of the kind of person that's like, let's not tear this. Let's keep this nice and pristine, huh? My fat finger can't get in there. Here we go. And there we go. Big old knot of that. And here is, ooh, it's a lovely, lovely gray shade. But this is the part I wanted to show you the most. Sorry, it's like all nothing but gray. Well, there's the paper off, obviously. And here is the mat itself. It's so huge. And it has, oh, it has a little strap up for it. Hold on, the strap fell. I'll get it in a second. But I wanted to show you guys is this bad boy right here. That is, I hope you can see it. You really can't see it too well. I'll try to bring the camera or get a little bit of contrast. Now, I'll try to get my light to shine on it a little bit. I've got a camera phone. I'll try to get a flash on it because right now it's gray on gray. It's an embossed image. And that embossed image is Pepper by Artgerm. It's his original character. I'm going to shine my flashlight on it so you can see a little bit of contrast on it. There we go. It's a little bright. Let me see if I can get a little bit of, like, just a little bit of shadow thrown across it. Okay, there we go. You can kind of see it now. But and I'll see if I can zoom in the camera a little bit too. But if you can see, there we go. Now you can see a little bit better. But that is his Pepper. Let me go ahead and open up the camera controls so I can get it to autofocus for us, hopefully. I have it set to a set focus. But let me see if I can get it to kind of focus a little bit camera. I'll try to get a better close-up. Hopefully it'll auto zoom for us, guys. If not, I will do it manually. Okay, there we go. But there is Pepper. It's his original character. Let's see if I can get that to lay as flat as I possibly can with one hand here. Two hands. There we go. But there is his embossed image of Pepper in the lower corner. Let's see if I can. I'm trying to get a better shine on it. I'm trying to get the shadow. There we go. Now that's probably the best you can see of it right now. But it's his original character Pepper, drawn by Artgerm, Stanley Artgerm Lau, and they worked on a partnership to emboss Pepper in the corner. So the desktop mat itself is rather large. I'm actually shocked about how large it is. It actually covers the entire surface of the it even has a little collectible card. I didn't even see that in here. Here it is, guys. It says, hey there, thank you for owning the Artgerm illustrated desk pad, which adds a little fun to your everyday life. Here's a little Pepper bookmark from us. We super appreciate you giving us an Amazon rating, please. How? You sign into Amazon, orders, Marvelistic, write product review. I will do that because it's very well made. It's got a very soft, it's like I said, it's a very tough top surface, and the back side is a very soft, I don't know, almost like a suede, but it's not suede because if you look closely on it, it's not suede. It's some sort of suede-like feeling, which should give it a good grip on the reverse side. I'm trying to lay it all out here, but I ran out of space. But this is Pepper. This is the original character he draws. And like I said, Artgerm is a fantastic artist. Lovely. Cute little book card there, bookmark, because again, Pepper's a great character he designed. This is, I believe, the strap that you can like wrap it up, and then you put this in there. I was gonna say I think it got torn there, but as you can see, there's little slits cut in to allow for this to pass through. I thought it was, you know, some sort of tear, but no, that's by design to let it have give without actually tearing. And cool thing is too, it has two. So if you can't get it this tight, or if it does get tighter over time, that second one could be used. But if it's loose, if you loosely roll it, you can use that as your first spot. So the fact they punched 2 holes in that, very smart design. I'm going to try to lay it out here real quick. But again, this takes up the entire... It's bigger than I anticipated. It's a much bigger thing than I anticipated. So I'm going to try to actually have a bigger camera of it, or take a photo of it and share later. But I'm trying to lay it all across my surface on my computer. Okay, yeah, it extends the entire size of my working desktop. So forgive the giant gray, but also there's the Marvelistic logo on the top. Hopefully you can see that. If not, I will try to shine some light on that, which you can't really see again. But you can see it if I shade it some. I've got really good lighting on here, so it's very hard to see embossed logos. It's really hard to see embossed logos here, guys. So let me see if I can get my phone unlocked so that I can show you guys a little bit of light on this. But you can see there's the Marvelistic logo at the top. There's the Marvelistic logo. And once again, here is Pepper. So, it's huge. And I'll switch to the other camera so you guys can see. But it covers... I will hold it up on the other camera. Let me switch to the other camera. But you guys can see, this thing is huge. I mean, it is not a small size. It is very large. It is a very large size. Like I said, it covers my entire work surface here. I don't know if it's like pen proof or marker proof. It's more for like desktops of like, it's more like a desktop for like computer, laptop stuff. And I was going to use it for my workstation desktop covering, but it's a little bit larger than that. It might wind up being on my table for a while. And then if I start working on art, get it away because I don't want this to get dirty. But this is a, like I said, very beautiful surface to work on. It's very smooth, velvety smooth. Very well constructed. I am very pleased with it. Like I said, I'm looking forward to using it in a context which will honor it. Like, I don't want to put it, like, if I'm doing digital work, I will definitely have this out because putting stuff, like, it'll fit keyboards, it'll fit mice, it will fit drawing pads, plenty of stuff on the surface. It'll be a good surface to stream on unless I'm doing art. I'm trying to get the camera out of the way, by the way, guys. There we go, because I got the shadow on my face. But this, again, is the Stanley Artgerm Lao edition of the Marvelistic desktop mat. And this is it with Pepper. And I want to thank you guys for tuning into my unboxing. Please stay tuned. I got other videos anticipated. I've shot other videos. I just have to edit them. So they'll be up shortly. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.